What deep, YouTube. Gonna make, oh, I was eating carne asada fries the other day, and I'm like, why can't I make, like, an Asian version? So I got, some beef round and some chicken tender, and I just cut them in, like, stripes. And I just got some teriyaki sauce to make a marinade, like 2 different ones. I put ginger and green onion in it. And I just mixed it all in. Oh, I was just trying to make something different. Oh yeah, there's some minced garlic up in there. Garlic. Couldn't say it. Yeah, I just wanted to make like an Asian fries. It's like a little teriyaki chicken beef fries. And I put some yellow bell peppers and white onions too. And just start cooking it. Forgot I had like a wok, so I was just using my wok right now. Wok, or whatever how you say. And just yeah, you just let that cook. And then I got the fries in the oven right now. I just got some regular store-bought fries. Making fries takes too long sometimes. Yeah, and then just plate it. Put the fries on there. Fries. I got like the Red Robin fries or whatever it was. I think I had it last time, they were pretty decent. Yeah, and then you just, oh yeah, there's a little bit too much fries there. I'm just gonna top it, the ground beef, or beef round and chicken breast, whatever it's called. After it's all yeah, it was so good. So good stuff. I ate so much. And I made like a fried egg and put it on top. Fried egg. Ooh. And I cut some chives. Cut some chives and rosemary. Oh, rosemary always goes good with chicken. That'll bring out the aroma to it. And then I cut some jalapenos. Put a little spice to it. Put some chives and rosemary. And then I got this like Japanese sauce. It looks like it's the sriracha and mayo. Oh, it smelled really good. So I just topped it off with that. Yeah, this thing was so bomb. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.